if you try to order a PlayStation 5 or an Xbox Series X with no success, mark your calendars. On October 13th, one retailer said it's going to have a restock. And online, which I never heard of, said that they will have a restock October 13th at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. But there is a catch. They are only going to offer them in bundles, going for $560 to $780. So it's going to come maybe with a game or an extra controller. Like I said before, I have never heard of Ant Online, so I do not know if I would trust them. Has anyone here ever heard about them? Well, if you order and get some, I hope you get a good one, because all of the major retailers have not said anything about a restock. This was Mr. Tech Talk. Until next time, if you like our videos, please subscribe. Have a nice day.